Hello, welcome to Nathan's Tech World. On this channel, we'll be sharing tips, guidelines, tutorials, lessons on data analytics. Trust me, if you stumble on this channel, congratulate yourself because there's a lot in it for you to learn. There's a lot here for you to learn. Talking about tutorials, lessons that you need to learn on data analytics. And believe you me, it is not just for data analysts. If you're working in the government sector, or you're working in the finance sector, or in the banking sector, or you are a business owner, you are a secretary, whatever career you might be into, you have a lot of things to learn on this channel. Once again, I'll congratulate you for stumbling on this page. And my name is Michael Ubedi. I will be the one teaching you, walking you through, sharing guidelines, tips, updates, videos, tutorials, lessons on data analytics and its concepts. I kindly implore you to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because you only will not benefit from this. Everyone needs to benefit from this channel, right? So kindly click on the notification button to get updates on videos that have been uploaded. Thank you once again. My name is Michael Ubedi. Kindly stay tuned for our next video. Bye.